This chocolate cake is rich, moist, and incredibly easy to make at home. You'll need simple ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, eggs, sugar, butter, and milk. Start by mixing the dry ingredients, flour and cocoa powder, until evenly combined. In another bowl, whisk the eggs, sugar, and melted butter until smooth and creamy. Slowly combine the wet and dry ingredients. Mix gently until you get a thick, smooth batter. Pour the batter into a prepared cake pan, spreading it evenly. Bake in the oven until the cake rises and sets perfectly. Let the cake cool completely before removing it from the pan. Carefully place it onto a serving plate. Spread a smooth layer of chocolate frosting, rich and glossy. Slice into the cake and enjoy every soft, chocolatey bite.